Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, our listeners on Echo TV International, wherever you're watching us from. This is Lamin Mane, your host today. A bit lonely on the platform because my colleagues and friends, Larry Cisse and Lamino Koma, are held up with other assignments. You know, the UDP, we have so much to do and so many things to take care of because we're a government in waiting. So there are so many assignments, but this is another weekly commitment that we've made with you. Whatever happens, one of us will make an effort to be here to have a chat with you. So that's why I'm here alone, a bit lonely today, but it goes with the territory. So, Mbalibe kontona bake assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah badi ma kafinyo male lamin mane. Na programo di Gambia we want. No programo du kote ke bi, utumbi nkafinyo manyo nteri manyo limeka programo ke. Larry Cisse ani lamino koma bi bulum refle man nano bari bawo UDP do ko wolle sera nyanda bi legala be wolle kan bar nak ñi nga la hidu tale ko ñi programme dal na diata ale loko wollo ko minala nali yake anata be man nano mo kili wala mo fele senano ina ale yake wala na bi ndam ale bi jam bari butum inshallah next week ntere ma ñu mun na nga tente nga ñu programme wala katu ñi ko maya tambe bakele wala tin be kala nga sawul lokul waaw tey ma wax naa waxtaan ci wolof tuuti tam man la Lamine Mané seen mbokk seen xarit seen am di jaama dañ leen faral di waxtaan ak yéen fii ci programme bi ñoo ooyee di Gambia we want ñaareel suma ñaari xarit ñoo ko fi dee def suma ñaari naataangoo Lamine Koma ak Larry Cisse waaye tey nag dañ jàpp moo tax ñëwuñ tey soo tey man kenn fi nekk xal naa wéet fii nag tey waaye nag loolay mbir liggéey bi noonu la UDP dafa bari li ñoo def am yenn saa yoo xam ne ñu ngi jàpp ci leneen duñ mun a ñëw waaye nag dañ leen dig ne programme bii bu soobee yàlla semaine bu nekk dinañ ñu fi waxtaan ak yéen suñ mënta ñëw ñun ñett ñëpp dinañ fexe ba kenn wala ñaari nit ñëw waxtaan ak yéen moo tax ñu nekk fi tey man kenn waaye noonu la mbir bi demee liggéey gi bari rek ñu ngi leen di sant di leen gërëm tey nag lañ bëgg a waxtaan ak yéen mooy affaire yi SONA State of the Nation address. Okay. So thank you all very much. Today we want to discuss the State of the Nation address by the President that took place last week at the National Assembly. And I think this is a very important exercise for the country, constitutionally, but also politically is very important for the country. For us to hear from the President, what are the achievements over the preceding year? What has his government done? And what are they going to do for the next 12 months? That's extremely important because that's part of the accountability, part of the drive to ensure that the Gambians are kept informed constantly about where our money is going to. The money we voted in the budget through our NAMs, where is that money going to? Was the preceding year's money used efficiently, effectively, or was it not? We need explanations on that from the President himself. And he needs to tell us what the government plans to do in the next 12 months. We are already halfway through the year, but still we need to know what have they done thus far and what are they going to do for the remaining 6 months of the year. And for this, what we don't want a litany of promises from one year to another. And what we see in this government is that every year they will come and tell us, we will do this, we will do this, we will do that. And last year we did A, B, C, D. But we never see anything concrete about what was achieved in the preceding year or what is going to happen in the next year. They never take stock of what was done in the preceding year to tell us, yes, we've achieved A, B, C, D. We are halfway through implementation of D, E, F, or we are failed to reach objectives for Q, R, Z, whatever. They don't give us that. So it's like every year is a wish list of things that they would want to do. So the different ministerial departments and agencies just put together for the President their wish list of things and they just submit it to him. And he comes and sits before the nation and just reads that out to us. Sometimes I wonder if he doesn't understand himself what he's reading. Because if he does understand what he's reading, I think he would question some of the things he's reading. Say, wait a minute, we said this last year. Why is this still here? Why is this objective not defined better? Why aren't we telling the Gambians what we're going to do in this area? So we have all of those issues all the time, and that cannot continue. We need something realistic. This exercise shouldn't just be a ritual. It should be something that will tell us what the government has achieved, what it has failed to achieve, or what it has partially achieved, and give us realistic objectives. Tell us what you're going to do. Tell us what you're going to do, how you're going to finance it. Don't just give us a litany of things you know you wouldn't achieve. Look at briefly what he said. Today I came with some notes. I usually don't, but today I came with some notes because it's important not to forget too many things. He told us that by the end of this year, 90% of the Gambians will have power supply. I'm like, are you serious? You've been promising us universal power supply for the country for years now. Now you scaled it back to 90% by the end of 2025. We were promised electricity for everybody in this country in 23, 24. Now 25, you're telling us you're going to give us 90% for the power supply for the country. Yet we all know in this country that even in the urban areas, we do not have proper power supply. When you have power going away, from about 9, 10 in the morning until 4, 5 p.m. every day, and sometimes even at night in the urban areas, and you tell us you're going to give us 90% power supply to 90% of the population, how are you going to do that? They were nowhere near that. And it's simply because this government has not put in place generation capacity to supply power to the people. You could very well link everybody to the power grid. If you do not have power generation, if you do not transmit the power, you're not going to be able to supply the Gambian population with power. And that is the reality. They've just sent away car power, which is a good thing, because it was a wastage. We have sunk over $200 million, $210, $220 million in car power over a 7-year period. That could have generated enough electricity for this country. But we missed that. They send them away, a good thing. But the money that was supposed to go to car power should go into generation capacity. Put in place installed capacity to be able to generate for this country electricity so that we can have power. It's a disgrace that 60 years after independence, we're still grappling with power supply in this country. It's a real shame. The amount of money that was wasted just on car power in 7 years is enough to produce electricity for the whole of this country with a surplus of about 50 megawatts to sell elsewhere. Why are we still where we are? Boils down to the same thing, corruption. Corruption is what is killing this country. The monies don't go where they're supposed to go. And we have misplaced priorities. Car power was supposed to come in just for a temporary measure, a stopgap, because we had power issues. Bring them in for 6 months. During those 6 months, you take care of the supply issues. But no, the initial contract was for 2 years. Fine. It's far too long. But by the end of the 2 years, you should have put in place enough generation capacity, enough installed capacity to be able to supply the country with power. All the money that's been going to NAWEC from the development partners, from our own budget, NAWEC should be selling power abroad, not buying power from Senelec, from OMVG, from Car Power. So telling us that you're going to supply us 90% of the population of power by the end of 2025 is a pipe dream. It won't happen. And the Gambians are aware of this. The promises you make year in, year out without attaining them is affecting your credibility, the credibility of your government. Nobody believes it anymore. But anyway, let's move on. You said in relation to, still closely related to power supply, petroleum, the oil discoveries in the Gambian, on inland Gambia, and in our exclusive maritime zone. You told us that your government spent $100 million to drill 2 wells. and the wells were not productive. We want to know who paid the $100 million. Where did it come from? Is it from the Gambia government? Is it from donor agencies? Is it from any other partner that was supposed to help you with the drilling? And if that's the case, what happened? How would they recover their costs? We don't know. We don't know. It's indicated nowhere in the budget. There is no accountability about it. So there's a mystery around the $100 million that were spent on that. Who gained from that? How was the procurement done? These are the issues that we need to talk about in this country. So the government just sits there and comes back and just explains that to us, and it goes and walks away. The National Assembly should be holding him to account for that. But again, corruption, mismanagement, embezzlement, lack of accountability. This is what we see in the country all the time. What else did we have from that same thing? Yeah, he said BP came into the fray at the time, paid a $10 million sign-on bonus, and then paid another $30 million when they are supposed to exit without doing what they're supposed to do. Where did the $10 million go? Was it ever reflected in the budget? I don't see it anywhere. And I'm not sure he can tell us where they put that money. And BP, for the record, when they were exiting, they paid $5 million, not 30. African Development Bank and the African Legal Support Facility stepped in to more or less compel BP to pay $30 million because it failed to perform its contractual obligations. That was how the Gambia got the $30 million from BP. And where did that money go? Did you invest it elsewhere in the country? Did you invest it in energy generation? Did you invest it in additional petroleum drilling? We could have paid for that upfront ourselves. So that if there's any discovery, the development and exploitation would have been for us. We wouldn't share with anybody. You could have done that. But no. All that money went into supplementary budgets and all that stuff. So we lost all of that again. Why? Why? Yeah, and another point I like very much, you said you're going to facilitate cross-border trade across the West Africa region, ECOWAS, etc. Yet this is the government that in 2024 stopped our youth who had come into this country and invested heavily in cement sales. You stopped them. You put a 600% tax on cement importation from Senegal, a neighboring country, an ECOWAS member state, We should be developing intra-African trade, particularly within the region, intra-regional trade. We could have been sourcing our cement from Senegal. You stopped it by slapping overnight a 600% tax on cement importations from Senegal. In favor of who? In favor of Jar Oil and other importers who are bringing it from Europe. So we still continue to extrovert our economies. Instead of having an intra-African, intra-regional trade development, we're still maintaining and sustaining the extraversion of our economies for the outside world in non-African countries. And the consequences are there. We predicted it, we told you. If you do that, you give monopoly to one person or a small group of people who are going to be able to hold us to ransom and do whatever they like. Today, there is cement shortage in this country. And the cement prices are going through the roof. Well over $500 per bag. If we had the young cement importers still active, cement would never have gone missing in this country. We would have had cement in large quantities, and the competition would bring the prices down. But now you have a monopoly with a small oligarchy, and what's going to happen? They do what they like, and we just have to foot the bill. That is not what we elected you for. That was not what the Gambian people expected from you when they elected you in 2016. And 2021, even though your government stole the elections with the complicity of the IEC, we expected better from you, not this kind of thing. Yeah, so that's also a shame that we cannot deal with our neighbors and facilitate inter-African, particularly inter-Senegambia trade. That's unfortunate. Yeah, what else? Agriculture. Is that agriculture, food security is happening? We're nowhere near food security. Your government has failed abysmally in agriculture. We have not seen any reflection of the agricultural priority in the budget. The agricultural sector as a whole for the country receives less than your office as president. The agricultural sector should receive far more than your office. This concerns agriculture for the whole country. We don't need you to spend, to be allocated more money than our agricultural sector, which is supposed to feed this country. So what do we get? We get complete extraversion of our agricultural needs. So we have to import everything from abroad. This country exports virtually nothing, nothing. With the attendant consequences on the Dalasi. The Dalasi is just going through the floor because there's nothing to sustain the Dalasi. We do not export anything. We import everything. And that is killing our economy. Every year we spend well over $200 million to import just rice, staple foods. If your government had put an emphasis on agriculture and given it priority, the Maputo agreement that the country signed, where we put at least 10% of our budget in agriculture, we would have been producing food now towards and moving towards food sovereignty, not just food self-sufficiency, food sovereignty. And we can do that because this country has been endowed with adequate natural resources, arable lands, fresh water, a young population, a small country which is easy to service. Why aren't we still food sufficient? Why are we still so dependent on the outside world for food? Because your government hasn't given any priority to agriculture. That's the problem. The Minister of Agriculture cannot tell us anything tangible they have done to improve agricultural output in this country. Last year, what did we get? $50 million loan from Badea. And this is an on-lending facility. You give it all to one producer in the Gambia, one economic operator. After a couple of months, we were told that because of criticism, that operator has returned the money, and the conditions of return are still very opaque. We don't know. We were told he returned the money. What happened? Did he pay the interest? Did he pay the commitment charges and fees? What happened? We don't know. And it's a lost opportunity because see, those $50 million, if you had taken the right measures, you can split that into lots and on-lend to Gambian farmers. We do need champions in the agricultural sector. We do need large-scale producers. Jah Oil being one of them. Maruo farms could have been supported. They are not supported. Maruo farms could have been supported under that loan as well. And a few other major producers to be able to produce more food for this country, starting with rice, but not just rice. We can do the same thing for coos. We can do it for millet. We can do it for maize, for findi, for the vegetables, fruits, etc. But let's just, for the sake of time, let's just stay with just rice production. What we want to see is to have champions in the agricultural sector who can produce large scale to be able to help meet the food needs of this country and also to export when the time comes. But we do not want to see our smallholder farmers continue to be working on other people's farms as farm hands and laborers for the rest of their lives. We want to develop a small agricultural sector which is self-employing, which is income generating, which is moving people out of poverty. If we give the smallholder the opportunity to grow and not just be a farm hand and a laborer on somebody else's big farm, he or she can produce enough rice to feed his or her family and then export the rest or sell it on the market here, and they will all become wealthy people, move out of poverty. You don't want them to be paid $5,000, $10,000 a month for working on other people's farms when they can make at least $1.2 million a year if we give them 1 or 2 hectares of land and ensure them irrigation facilities, and they can produce rice 3 or 4 times a year. Each one of those families which has 2 hectares of land, can make at least $1.2 million from growing rice in this country. We give them improved seeds like Nerica. We give them fertilizers. We give them water through irrigation. We assist them with combined harvesters and planters. That's the role of a government. If we do that, these small farmers will become self-sufficient. They will grow enough rice to feed their families. They will sell the surplus onto the market here. And assuming they sell a bag of rice for only $1,000, which will be a huge benefit for the Gambian population, government can sign an agreement with them. Say, we're going to help you. We're going to give you improved seeds. We're going to give you fertilizers. We're going to procure equipment for you, like combined harvesters, planters. In return, you will cut down on the price of the rice. It's a bargain. Those farmers will accept. So you have an agreement with them. They can sell it for $1,000 per bag. If you provide those equipment, and you provide them with the seeds, with the fertilizers, with the irrigation facilities, and they produce enough rice on those 2 hectares per smallholder, each family of 2 hectares can produce minimum $1.2 million a year. They are then lifted out of poverty. That's what we want. We want to lift our farmers out of poverty into well-being, not to keep them as farm hands for other people. The large-scale farmers, they don't need so much manpower. They're going to mechanize their production. So they can still do the work and produce enough for this country and to sell without killing off the low-income farmers and smallholders. So we have indigenous capitalism being grown. And this will help everybody move into a better place in society. But again, that depends on the government, what is gives priority to, and its policies and programs. This is what a UDP government would do. We would do that. And in 5 years, we will move this country from food dependency on the outside world to food sovereignty in this country. There are many other sectors, like fisheries, where he said, they have provided 20 well-equipped boats to be given out to whoever God knows who. You give them 20 well-equipped boats. What are they going to do with that? Our seas have been depleted of fish. You gave contracts to Chinese companies and to European farms, which are just killing off this fishery sector. They come with huge drag nets and take away all the fish. So the Gambians do not have enough fish now anymore, or when they have it, they can't afford it. So the 20 boats are going to serve for what? They're going to go out there 2-3 days and come back with hardly anything. What you need to do is to review the fisheries policy, to review the agreements with the foreign companies. We need the foreign companies to come here and invest. We need that. We need partnerships. We are not against partnerships, but it should be win-win. We win for the partners coming in and a win for the Gambians. So you demarcate the exclusive economic zone, our maritime area, and said, beyond so many kilometers, you can fish there because our fishermen probably can go that far. From, say, 20 kilometers coming down to the shore is for our local fishermen. You don't go there. So you protect the fish stock in those areas. And that will be for the Gambian population. And beyond that, our exclusive economic zone is 300 kilometers. You can say the first 20 or even the first 50 kilometers are for the Gambian fishermen. And the local fishermen from West Africa who live here, who have small boats, they stay there. The rest can go beyond that, from 50 kilometers to 300 kilometer exclusive maritime zone. They can fish there. Senegal just did it. And they went from no fish, an extremely expensive fish on the Senegalese market, to an abundance of fish on the market. And we've been talking about this for years. Everybody's pretending it can be done or whatever, we can't change these contracts, we can't renegotiate. Of course we can renegotiate them. A contract is a law between two parties, so we can renegotiate it. Just like Parliament can amend its bills, these contracts also can be renegotiated. They'll tell me, yeah, sanctity of contracts. Yes, there's sanctity of contracts. But if they are well done, there are exit clauses, there are sunset clauses you put in there, so you can renegotiate when you need to. If you don't have it done in there, it means you signed a poor contract. And again, that's on you. So we need to do all of this for the country, not if we come back and just give us a story, repetition of all these stories. But since this program we wanted to be for the local people as well, the local languages, I'm going to stop here. There are a host of issues I need to deal with, concerning gender, concerning the differently abled, victim support, which you talked about, the NAFA cash transfers, and all of those things. I need to talk about all of those. If I can finish it today, we'll come back next week. But let me go into the local languages now to be able to share these thoughts with our local countrymen who don't speak English. In lokun tambila Adama Barrow Tata Parliament, Tata Kachala Jeka for be a SONA, that is the State of the Nation's address. Sausa kata Parliament le kata National Assembly kata nyum kata kachaje nimbanku diol kaita ndila ko alama sakunda ya moneke serung sango kono ko do min dila bo jetoto ye moneke je andi moneke la nyina sango kono na ko do use la nyaadi be na ko do tamand la nyaadi be moneke la banku diol ni sasimilu la so kata wala kacha National Assembly sawosa nyina tata ni lokun tambilale barantu la kamin kumbonyin kuoro wala president wa sawo sang akanana na elo National Assembly akamune kacha akafunya ndo nama sakunda nyine ke serum be nyine ke la nyinam bari nena ma moy na nyine ke serum la fa nyine ke la serum nga be ke la nyine ninke la be futata nga nyine soto je wala ma nyine keno nyine na ma keno wala nyine ko sa mambam fulu nyine ta mambam fulu lafta wala lon bari sawo sa yana na ilahi di kilimo gi mo la ita jiko ma fala ita lahi dol timmandila sawo san kuma kilimo kana jutu gambia no manki hakilin tantal kam fonka moyle yalon diamu laal to min ka diamu mil kan la moy wala kilo war tantolde nka min fol kam moy jetto fol bi ko moy so di president of National Assembly akomo le ngani nek serum bi nani nek la jinam ntol mi jaka ntol bi ya me fanya serum hakilo bo kan ni mbura ni nan yokuma kilo fanya ni nan ko te ma la ka tulo nal fu mu ne ni nga ko janne ni sangoy banna Gambia dingol ni mo kemele mo tan konon to bi ko ron sotla la say bay so la ko non ko 2023 Gambia bi ko ron sotla le iboro je ko 2024 so 2025 ni nan sang sa ni nena ko say kemelo kem mo tan kon to bi ko ron sotla bari be galon ko wonin o mo ko malti mi yalon ko santo ko mo la woti kato bi yim banko kanja hanin ko mutuwa banko to jam kurango be kaso so banda talan ko to talan tay kurango fa atina fo talan nan talal lulu su uraro to bodo su to fa isafa wate la wodi jam fa man kurango so to ko mutuwa banko so banko to ma kurango sot la nyaadi ngamo ire jara so ma nyul ma fa lolu ko la kurango bi jela la kurango ko to man siya alhamdulillah bari banko karado be jimto banko to janna wol fa mon kurango soto so e ka fa santon ko le micro dira mo banko dum ni mo ke melen tan ko to kurango soto ma soto la nyaadi le pour e kurango di mol la fu kurango le do ko nyim banko kan ni ya do ko nyim banko kan yana e ka fa transmission wala ya tambindi na line wala nyin cable wala eta moliya wala ta molu kurango soto bara ko mi nyanta tala fa ni mo kurango do ko no nyimba ko ta dino la mol ni mo kurango do ko ba ko basi mol ba sot la nyaadi le nyimba ko idul fon la foroto e ko sulata sawo sang megawatt tan ko non to ni worole ko sulata wala nde ko yo seato le so remena seato le bari to ngamo to nyamato tan ko non to ni worowul ntol kamen do ko nyimba ko kam fangolo am megawatt tan lulo fa aussi c'est ko non dira tan ko non to la nyaadi le ibaji de la nyaadi le iba bola min tole ka to hano tawdu lo fam because da ton di ko te ke nawek e ka sang karado sang sene lekle bu karado sang nun ka powerful sa ko ka power sa wo se ka ko te wul sa jonu min na ko de anen na critique mo be ka critique mo be ke mo fu nyami ko sa mbato ngai bula yeta yo bula yeta ndi bo ke ni bula fa nyanta min kala no rin sanji woro wala komando sanji se komando ma wala ke so ka power tata par ka ko pa ko ko min dinna mo ko raw soto ko teke ka tun alman fere ke pour ko raw do ko nyima ko pour ka power tata sa soto no andun ka power nyen sanji woro wulo min tambita liye jo minna asiata $1 million keme fula million tanti $1 million keme fula million tan na lo dun kurango do ko kunna nyimba ko kan ne kurango min sotla nyimba ko ka do ko vital na do wata nyaani tan megawatt keme fula sa do ko no billion keme fula million tan to ni mo megawatt keme fula so do nyimba ko kan ndahata kay itul kon so tan megawatt tan ko non to ni woro wulal to la miroto ni ko banko be ya soto ba kam ko to banko anen santola banko sate wol be ni ko mo be ya skura ngo soto nyama do ta nyawnya musulata megawatt keme megawatt talulale par hananga megawatt keme megawatt talulu ta ngaw di banko dingol la ko megawatt keme fulo simin do ko no ka pa wala ko do to min di ka pa wala o fo dama megawatt talulu be to lan ko to no so wafino bantale no ko do soto ji non ko ɗon benen dal sole makko o ɓenna économie de makko andu womo kapawo ɗammalte min dundi kapawo o ɗammale wooti anen ñim bantala bankol kam makko min to anen ñim banque suñu kam makko min to kabo African Development Bank kata World Bank IMF European Union wol be kam makko ko ɗo min to min duta ja pour kana navek barola siyonin sayentema a siyata $1 million keme nani million tan nan nin kilin wol ɗum tan navek $1 million keme nani million tan nani anin kilin dol ko million tan nani woro wala sa do million tan nani million keme nani million tan nani wol taji banko kan nabe ma koy ni wota ta nyama nabe addo yata nyaaw nyang megawatt keme nani la wodi bar masula ka megawatt keme nani do ko sayin ka na do ko fota wa to be wa fi banta ni mo wa fi la sur fana se ti nyaro ban si megawatt keme saba do ko no jele ni nga megawatt keme saba do kuje million keme do mi tulaje ko teke ana million tan nano o dun dula do to so million keme saba ni nga wota min do yam ye so minna en don to minna ka bona vanta o din ka pa wata man kilinde ni nga million keme nani anin tan nani nin kilingo tano na million keme saba tango dun na wek si megawatt keme saba do ko nono ay to ye million tan kin nani nin kilin o million keme saba ni nga megawatt keme saba do ko wor do fonga megawatt keme nin talul taje sula minna megawatt keme nin talul do wa fi banta o be min kala nyim banko kan jang ala da male wala Senegal nka mune sanunje about 20 to 30 megawatts nka wala sanno from Senelec sa wosan ke jo minna sefa billion tan aka siya wotile sa wosan ni nga soto jannum bi nga do ko ni banko kan way ku agriculture fond ma finance nsa no la fango ni nga do ku jang kurawon sa da jindi kendeke gambe lo su kurawon so na so sanno adai sono ya ati fala na hotel sunyolo nke ko di bamin leka ko kurawon sa da jindi ni nga da jindi hotel da be diyalale ni hotel da di to risol be siyalale kato gambia na be sono yala nin to resol seta na do kulal ne banque gambia do le na faso laje no ka be do fa na faso do fa be tax le jola do fa na sawari to rimbe tabakan sa mbato fa na fere nga cantine dillo jana wala nga restaurant dillo jana wala nga ba ka jana wala nga ta fonkul sa ñim handicraft mol kamen do ku ñi maskol ni ñin ten tamewol ni fengol be kata wa fa to resol ma o fa be si do ko soto ji ko do soto ji wol be tax le jola yim banko ka man sakunda ke mira tenne fannolu bebe nakiri nyola le ni do ma ya ka do la fa ni do tala ka do la tala ya kara do isi o keno la yim banko kan no banko ta nyaato bari mawoke ko do beti nyaata ka be jo ka pawa ani min do bana yen do to milla min do ba jola le bari ko ta da min malo ti nyaari 15 so you can say ndi ko mala dron so ye million kemenani tanna dollar o million kemenani million tanna nin kilometer jim banko kan ima dunde enta dunna dami o juloben kunnale mba jolale andum man fen soto nata no yadu fa kurawo do ko wala sa ko ha mba jolale bar ko de no kurawo soto le no do wafi banta nga même fa wafi banta no so julo jolale no ni nga me gabat keme sama do kunu na keme nin talulo ta jim banko kan sula talale keme nin talulo do ngo wafi banta ko men nat julo jolal no bari hani man kuran soto julo jorang ma soto ntole sa ben tew sit la ko de pour na julo jogo rek fu ma maron le fam dole jola ni ma sakku nakan sey ndi ko ma wala nyama tambe dol nyanta jele lon la kala ko nyul man tole khati ye fa da male khati ni la ko kile nafa mo ki me fula mo ki mi wala yimba ko ko wala mi ko be ke kure banko tobe bata kon mbare ngambia nol be ko nena be ko teno la tene ba mbe sonal ba ñu len joyande fa wala banko kan ba yam foire yandi fo enjoy yandi nte sonno la gambe manke banko foire di manke foire banko to miya foire yata mo wala ya foire yandi ala mbara jawo kan nte sonno la jere la wala na ngani man sakunda jinde man sakunda do samana ni si gambe samana o man sakunda do munete UDP ana UDP dal mil bala yo pour kam baro jindi ando nen ko UDP ni mil bala yo kam pour ka baro jindi man ko UDP da mata jindi no sa jindi no le UDP de ma sajin no kadu mbe keri wala force pass di pose wala ben carte seta bi wala be sila andu inshallah be kala UDP le carte mo batata le bare ko le ko ndam ma manya na nyum banko tamandi la carte be le de nyum banko le wala de mo be ka cela fo ne wala si de nga election ko nyola coalition nga kay banko tamandi do kato kan inshallah albe son yand la nyene bare janni wote ma nga fere ka nyum banko le ab tinya kam bakele nzaba tinya ta bakele fon so mu na wek la quality na duman dim foto nga dawor ako serum ifa ni sanyi dan tan kono ten ka 2019 le America na sign akate la masakunda ye dollaro million kebe e wala dun ka tulo nyine mbako dollaro million kebe e wala dun ka tulo nyine mbako dollaro million kebe abutanim tole male ojo atata jumale ya ko do sta o kilo mbajo la fonta jola natan tul majuro ta natan miliyata numul te mun ta mata je so tulo mun atna man fu mo je hani kabi be dero be fe ya fu ngo wile ko do bare kam ko lo mi ko lo min sin ani wol man fen so de o kola ko bring ibo go ko la ko BP British Petroleum o fam tulu company dolle ko na fam ko yeda bulaji sante be kambe ko nyin kala min ni atara British Petroleum binana kana du woko kana million tan du je just sign on ni ba sign la ko masakunda ko do min der pour ka fay ngali buña nyin na fana be du na je ngam million tan dollar million tan sikaya di masakunda dollar million tan wudala so billion woro wulalta ni million keme saba da wala million wuli woro wula million wuli keme saba yo sikaya di masakunda ka ni jan sayna ba iso daga dunja kana tulo nyin munata o do chonna ka o jonata imam fes imam tulo so bi nyamba ko ka wala bi kala ko do fay 15 ya kula jawlat ni tundaje munata na faru ko do be nyamba ko ka ne ata imam tulo so nyamba ko ka munata na faru mota Senegal kana Gambia jang ku kana tulo ko do ko yana tulo to nyamba ko ka faru contrat bi ta bala Senegal da Gambia jang ka to fon la foro de ko to mo nyamba ko ka do ta nyaaw nyam tulo barigol min soto je bariga billion keme ani billion mo so soto no jel stafla billion killing ani million keme fula so soto no nyimba ko kan jel ito lawo A2 ni A5 kolon ka fe A2 ni A5 o dum blandin don newti sa never so soto no nyimba na sa ita ta ko ma foje mune be kere man fo masako Gambia di ngoli bari be fintila sa jare inshallah ni election ba tabe fintila de kato ngam mil lonte mil fono la be fola wato inshallah bari sa fane fanan ko birin British Petroleum million tango di dollar million tan pour kana ka di masa kunda la ka fa ngi jasa nyi nan to du nan kana pour kana tulo nyini e mannake ibe fintila ibe seyla ko biro do seyla wuli million dollar million tan saba sikaya di masa kunda ka ta manyi do ko kanum sambita ngani jila ke bolo sey nyin ke ñu so jabu nyin kana man taw nyamade birin British Petroleum bita dollar million lulu yo le di masa kunda la ataka million tan sabo yalo surta nyame birim BP ko bitayo million lulo jo African Development Bank benu danan do ko and African Legal Support Facility bi African Development Bank yi dolle wulita on ko yata keno la alilla hedol tañu li ale contrat ko le sayna tinalo ale taw nyama do million lulu da madira ak yante compenser yante juso nyabulale pour kata oto mole mota nan ko teke ina ta million tan sabo di jam foloni million lulu don nedi biringa pression lay kan nata million moni lulu ka fuje ko dollar million moni lulu ka la million lulu ka million tan saba wala na wali ojo to die bulan wol tata to lenga wol forcer pour ka ojo par bido fadan jo million tan saba wala mu dala so no fa de billion one killing billion one ma million de billion wala million wuli mo wan killing ni million ko fo wuli signa wuli killing wuli mo wan killing wala dum tajim banko ka na banko budgeto be atalante wala wodi wala dum tajim banko ka o fana kata nyaadi ya be pasar to mo mbure njayle be dum jam minister of finance yalla wulta do be so tata do yo supplementary bill dundi ya ko do be pasar abanda gamelo man na fasoto ji ni masa kunda kata mawla nyama bari ko fo moli so sawsa ina ila hido ta moli mi an ko la hido bi timmala ka ko mo fo mi yalon kanen silo manta masa kunda ke la banko ko do ko banko dugol le pour kata nyaato ka to na ko don ka wala ska ngadi lan ko banko do ko wunye ni mano sa enji ji am patele ta sa en 2026 ta ngamere gambeno fankam pour 2026 e nyim masakunda jindi e UDP sindi na wonyem maraja wona nyim bata ko ako fanan ala wodi yamoto state of the nation address amen kel nyim lo kun tambila agat laftele africa bankulu ndambal tema na safaro nen do ko sona din ndambal tema anin tanin na kasira nat lafte safaro tam so nen ndambal tema na serum na fonding ko bi naté ko do dundi jam pour kasimento wa kala Sénégal kana wa fija na seru yewul stop na seru ko be ye fonyo ka to ye fonyo ndile ka di kata min sa Sénégal taxo ya ka fulu signaaw keme woro munta ni ka dal stanne jo e ko sayin ibe dal si wuli woro le jola yalla moto ko ena yo wa fane professeur sodoje so woli e fanyo wala fe ye taxo le kan fo woli e fanyo carte do ko kenon ni se gagner so noje woli e fanyo woli e fanyo ren kola nka même fo wala be kerim bi ko na le ñu ndimulu bay albaso yindo ko ke kata ko semento sa Sénégal kana wa fi jam semento mo dante ne ba contrôle jamin dete wala kala pimbe wala kono bi semento ma so yimba ko kan karenen fe mo semento bore da kanyini na fo dun jella sam sero be do ko la su kono renovation digol ke kan sulat semento la ngani sera kunda KMC ngai ma je bo murmur ma ko semento soto data la ba soto la ñu tole jalamban ko fa dam boto kili gawal soto ji so ye mira yetilo be bori jimban ko KMC ko ne man fesu ita fo jalamban ka semento sam boto kili ngasa automo dala sikki manane tan ko non so ni isa so beje ni wala ko sera boto sera muli kili ngotel sai ka ko ciorti nanante ni o dindi fonni ke bro ni continuer la business wala classemento sa Sénégal ka wa fi jam semento te manki la andu wo ko la fana mbasa nam badi won le Sénégal na nga sa wa fi jam Sénégal yi gagné to fana gagné bari hani on konta di lam badi won la bita sanana to abu dula nga nanam na wa fi jam par exemple mo ne fonu ko le ko intra african trade wala african da bala sen safaro nyotema mi wala sembentu yala sai na ko do situm fangol ya jang na do ku kala janga ku samba nyaato be ga wala hidol ta african union ni nga kenu tenim ta semento san tubabu du ma san na senegal le ni nga san senegal mbir si dafa soto je senegal si dafa soto je gambia dafa soto je na semento da yi semento te mankila si ñoo sembentu ya bari hanen ka woni ke bi kata tubabu du le sembentu ya wala ko masula ko do be bulle si bujama keno bari bi kan fangol dam mama koy ngata di tubabu dole andu ECOWAS na agreement nga sign ECOWAS ko le ko ECOWAS ndammal wala ñi Afrika tiliji bankol ndammal be fekk nga safaro ken ndamma tem na ko do etum fawol bulu jam nga do ko ndida West Africa jam wala hidol tanga wala sign parce que Sénégal balala ngata di tubabu du o mon kulete silanteng ni ñu man tanu yi mawlu bal dem bis man to man kile dem bis man to so soto bare be batami ko ma sakunda la ci lembali han kam wala ko ate lañu bela molu kan yo ako fanan agriculture seno kala ma sakunda seno sembentu yale nka yo ke min tole kaddu lu batal ko ya hani kabi dun batal ko nka ko ni ngate ma sakunda seno ya sembentu ya kuma yandi il ko do min tala bo jeto ba dun agriculture wala siala bake ikamen di fawla president ko do min ta safu parliament ko do min ta ya di president's office la asida mala office o ko do min diala wala siata agriculture la ko do beti agriculture mare ba ko bela senola tout o ko do min soto barola office la ko do siata wala pour mo amon tak sen seno man ko mayam fe gambe di wala man skula ko man ko mayam fe barol la tengu na la di dia ni ala wul sus wala ko wala ko mayam di amanya na tamala o nyama bare ndolo kono bi so ni ata nyama sakunda so be ata ala ta seno fanan sembentu yala amune kela abe sen la le makoy la na mona je bi aka modanta ne makoy saf mo kilim fa wala Amidou Diaté seru ye $1 million talulu ta badeya o bank do de Arab bank ya ta woto ina ta biska di Amidou Diaté mala ngoy hani ya bi keten ni ka fini online operations ni ya ta ikata le ya kuntum kuntu ya talantalan e mo jama don tal samo mo masina faso to si fam ma ko no je banko ma koy war kana biska ya di mo kilinna abika ta mo nyama hani risque da mani o mari fota ma jono don tinyaro le kan tolle ba jola bari ko do di wala kari jama na tamurna ko sai ay ko do sendi le katum mulka accreditation na man la fi wala so ko do sendi ko sa na ko do sendi a sendi jadi la sendi mo ne ko kam ko do ne ko do ta mir nyanta jola jawal be jola ba mo ne keta ak fonya senem of mo kiselo woto so ko do buru di bade yale mari ba buru la bade ya bade ya don to million tallulo $1 million tallulo atta ya talantala ngam be Sénégal tema dol bije comme marwo France ba kata kam bake yana e fanam don to jedo mandina ani oda champion so fanam ma ko je ko taye sia e ko sen od kaf katum be mano don nakata war sen o man dam mano la nyobi jele findo bi je tuba nyoli bi je anol be ani du tolu ne iri dingol ning vegetable sunyol bare kadam mano da maros ba ta mo man sia yo million tallulo tanon ya Hamidou Diaté to do mandina je ye marwo France do mandina je e modon dafa do mandina je to ya tala gambe Sénégal tema mo mon sila dafa sila do ko ke no nyama ye balu nya kendo soto je ntere ma ko di laven komma ile balu as sahaya as sono ya ni oke man la fi Sénégal et ke mo la bere soti la kon kolto hani la Sénégal fana ke fan son patron de ke fan son boss di ni wol don to kodola yekara do ta yadum di jorawol to ye turubetol sey e jambando sey e masinol sami ma ko do ko wala tuturol din katirolo ni busarolo ni nyo turol ye ma koy woto isa fono e ko say ningal ma koy nyim beto sa fan mari boto alba fela wuli kilin la example oto al sa wuli kilin pour kambe dul fan balu si sonu ya wote bala nawla katini min mako hectare fula soto ya mako machine ya mako turu betol to ya mako jambandol to nayo wafi sawo sang hectare fula a doyata ñawñan kato be irrigation fana kala isa atakala sama seno dama seno sama tilikande ni o keno sawo sang a doyata ñaño hectare fulo a doyata ñawñan isi dal si million keme fula soto je do sa fula dal si million killing ani wuli keme fula so so no le hectare fula so ni mi ila seno yema no so sene hectare fula ma do kar na mol ko ndo ka se hectare fula til pan hectare fula da ma do ko do ni ma koy wanyama seno la ye million killing ani wuli keme fula soto woto ko ta fuara ya ko no le ko ta fuara ya ko no andu mari yu jaro nama hectare lulu do ko wala hectare tan ama keno le soto o fam bula fuara ya ko no wala nyama isaji fana nyi sene la balu ja oyel mar wo fa fa seno ka nyama karto masula do ko la baki sula tama sinol dele fana le do ko ke ma no yesia do mo fi mo le sia to min taje ni ma min do mo yesa wa fi no bantale ni ma banto ben dal sole bambandi la dal so boy kan do kar bu ka do ko fe wa fa de ka be sananga sa mananja wala en batandi ba ni yo sene la balu ma koy mar wo fam suñu ja oyel ñu la ni façon lié ma koy wala seno sembo soto si de lan digul fana ye ma koy ifana lo no faye seno ke faye ila dimbayal dañen to ya wafi o fana bu fuare ya kono par kane taye ye ko do bi di ni sene la balla pour ko le bere soti hani man fi ke le bere soti la sene ke fa so sene la mi yalla ko fi be fa lo it kele fa wala boss leti ifa won le bere do ko kele ko do soto je ila dimbayal balon di to ke haji dolti ifa bu fuare ya kono kane take jo wuli tankari wo kari hani o sango na siyata wuli keme wuli mu wanne be ko ibol soto laji barni sembentu ya sawo sanga do ta nyanya isi million killing an wuli keme fala soto no lafta wole la wol fana le no kay fayi e kisene lalti mi yalon ko si baluno fayi be fuare ya ko ne du fanko kon lafta wole no si o keno wala ni man sakunda ye makoy no fa so siyata si bin kenoji nsi ko dota no bade ya nyami satano African Development Bank ko nyam satano do ko kawlu makoy lafta wala ni masa ko ndanyanta wala kay bari mo wala ke so ka wana ka fala an carte fa UDP ni na sal bajira mi fali na nyamba ko ka do la bana dami ba to man siya wala ko say ko ni demo akoy kulum wonne sang e masinul kala din jalol ya di mol mo bete yar par nak neew di wala bi taj ñewu tala min dole karna ba ko no ñete to ko tek e min di ñin tuba bo la ni chayni sol lay sinon wala kana ka be ko naita na ba ko no ñete ko de so xane ko londi wala te fe surtout no la je ñenta min kala wala ye sembo min di tuba bo la ni chayni ko na ba de mo la jang a foye ko na ba na exclusive maritime zone atara fa kilometer sab kebe saw ba ko no afoy ko kabo fanka soto kabo tenda fanka soto kanana fo kilometer tan lulu ni yato alta ñi mutala woto mo pour na banko dingol leti kabo kilometer tan lulu kabo kilometer kebe sabu banta dami alta tali al ñi mutaw to kan mol tano to je ko la yata ni ko kata bobe sikanye je wol si ñew soto je yela do ko ka ñama e tax jojo ga beja na bade mala fa si ñew mutano ay beteya ina ya fi molma daye diye fana fe soto je mo be da hasu mo be na fa soto je ika ko ne win win wala be nga gagné je ba niata ya be di tuwa bol ni stani sol na molma fe soto ko ha nyobe ka sanno nyimba ko ka ni ya je nyala fa ko be no Sénégal fana ntol meta fana mo maka ja ba Sénégal na serum maki boyta wato min Ousmane Sonko nen jomay na ya ke je bi ñewta ban na Sénégal so Sénégal ko lu bi ka ñew sulu say ka ñew sutate banna adadiyata masa kunda ñanta ñu lekela ñi masa kunda bi ka wala ka fi mam mo hati ñi banko fi de mal hati ne tatul banko ka mi yalon ko mo ke me fula mo ke me saba damma wala bi tala balu ya sahar balu ya sahayare ko no be da ha ko to be bataka wotte silati kambiya mbel den tala mbel ñanta fen sutla je so masa kunda ñanta ñu lekela bari mbaro law to fulo ga do man fa suta kon fana to katum la sali mo be mo be keri e kana ka sound ka jikodi mo la ka sekete ku mi ta ko ta kala 5 minutes yo ñu ngi may yëgal ne li ma desee ci waxtu bëreetut ngeen jégal ma li ma yàgg ci yeneen làkk yi li ma doon wax rek mooy Barrow semaine bi ñu jógee nii ñëwoon na ci pencum député yi ne leen fi mu nekk dama ñëw at bu nekk dafay ñëw wax leen li mu def ci réew mi moo nguur gi liñ defoon at gi weesu ak ci at bi ñu nekk lan nañoo def loolu la doon waxtaan yëpp da koy def ba at bu nekk dafa dee def ren mu ñëw wax ñu li nguuram waroon def daaw ne liñ def waaye li mu wax de ñun gisuñ ci dara def nañ lii def nañ lii def nañ lii waaye ñu gisuñ ci dara ren mu li ñoo def gisuñ ci dara daanaka at bu nekk dafay ñëw rek dégg ñu dinaa def lii dinaa def lii dinaa def lii ci at bi ci tegu mu ñëw ne waaw def naa lii def naa lii def naa lii te defu ci dara li mu wax ne loolu lay nekk di bamtuwaat rek at bu nekk daf koy bamtuwaat rek di bamtuwaat rek duñ ci gis dara ñoom ñoo fi toogoon ñu ne ñu courant Gambie yëpp dañ am courant ñaari at ci gannaaw lañ waroon a am ñun ñëpp war a am courant 2023 ñu jógee fa pousse 2024 léegi 2025 ren ñu ñëw ñu ne waaw fi mu nekk téeméer bu nekk ci doomi Gambie yi ñeneenti fukka sorry juróom-ñeenti fukka dañ ci am courant ne mënut a am mënu la am parce que courant bi ngay jox gaay foo koo jëlee courant amu fi boor bu set boor bu yàlla sàkk nañ dog courant ci Greater Banjul fii nañ dog courant boori 9-10 ci suba lañ koo dog ba boori 4-5 ci ngoon xanaa yi dañu am courant boor bu set fan ngaa jëlee courant bi bu ko amuloo courant bi pour mën a jox courant bi foog nga am ko soo ko liggéeyu doo ko mën a joxe loo amul doo ko mën a joxe bugg a dem taxul a dem mën a dem a tax a dem bugg a joxee courant taxul nga joxe courant da ngay am courant nga mën a joxe courant waaye boo amul courant noo koo defee courant amu fi liñ daan fay cash power car power at bu nekk ñu ko daan fay fanweeri million ak juróomi dollar liñ fay car power ci juróom-ñaari at yu weesu nii ëpp na ñaari téeméeri millions yu dollar loolu suñ ko dugaloon ci liggéey courant nañ am lu doy lu jaay li ci des ci biti ñaari téeméeri millions yu dollar ak fukki millions soo ko dugaloon ci jegar courant dañ am lu néew dañ am ñaari téeméeri mégawatt te ñun lu ñu soxla fii ci réew ñoom ñu ne juróom-ñeenti fukk ak juróom-ñaar mégawatt loolu lañ soxla ci réew ñu ne ëpp na ko ñun liñ xalaat mooy soxla nañ téeméer ak juróom fukki mégawatt waaw suñu liggéeyoon ñaar téeméeri mégawatt ñu jël fukk ak téeméer ak juróom fukk yi ñu jëfandikoo ko ñun am nañ ba tey juróom fukki ñoo mën a jaay ci biti loolu mun naa jël ñu mën nañu jël lu fay bor yi ñu jël pour liggéey nawet ñu jox nawet mën nañ ko cee fay nga xam ne ñu duñu doomi réew mi ñoo ko nekk di ko fay rek waaye dugal nañ fi ñaari téeméer ñu sori ñeenti téeméer ak ñeenti fukk ak benn million yi dollar ci réew mi ñeenti fukk ak benn million yi dollar lañ dugal ci réew mi Barrow tooge ba tey loolu la ñu lebal ci réew mi pour ñu dugal ko ci nawet gisuñ dara xaalis yëpp ne meles suñ ko dugaloon ci liggéey courant di kon am nañ ñeenti téeméeri mégawatt soxlawuñ loolu sax waaye suñ ko amoon sax mën nañ koo jaay ci biti defuloo loolu ñun fi nekk li ñoo liggéey courant mutul juróom fukki mégawatt sax mutul juróom fukki mégawatt te soxla na ñoom ci seen li ñuy wax juróom-ñeenti fukk ak juróom-ñaari mégawatt lañ soxla yow liggéeyuloo juróom fukk da ngaa joxe ñëpp courant du mun a am soo naxaatee fi nekk boor bu set at bu nekk ñuy wax ñu lu nekk seen dañ ci def dara nañ ci génn nañ ñuy wax li ñoo def jóg liggéey pour réew mën a jëm kanam waaye naxaate bi taxul kam leen xam nañ soo loolu affaire courant bi la mun nañu dugal nañ téeméeri millions yi dollars pour ut diw ci géej bi fan la dem kan na ko joxe kana ko njëriñoo xamuñ ci dara soo ñu lii du mën a continuer duñ nekk dañuy wax lu leen neex rek sax yu nekk rek ñun ñuy gëm rek dem rek Gambien duñ def xam nañ li xew xam nañ loo xam ne loolu lay def soo dañ leen ko laaj waaye xëy na laaj yu jotagul waaye incha allah déwén bu gouvernement bi ceeñi nañu wax lu set mun nañu dafa def lu nekk pour dimbali pour dooleel jënd ak jaay bi ak dem ak a ñëw bi diggante West Africa Afrique soow jant ma ne ko doo ko mën a def parce que benn suñ pont bi Sénégal web di tayle nga ko moomatuñ ko doo ci mën a di say dara ciment bi fi nekkoon ñu ko doon jaaya suñ ndaw yi jógee bitim réew ñu ne jógee fii dem ci banque yi leb xaalis ñëw di jaay jënd ciment di ko jaay ñu ci am dara ñëpp mun cee njëriñoo xale ak ndaw yooyu mënuñ koo defat parce que dañ jóg jékki-jékki rek benn fan rek ñu jox ñu teg seen kaw juróom benn téeméeri % taxe mënuñoo liggéeyati ñëpp daanu ñu bàyyi liggéey bi léegi ñaar rek Jah Oil Salaam ak Bambou rek amee ciment bi fii lu leen neex ñu def ciment fi nekk ciment manqué na am na ëpp na weer léegi amuñ ciment coono yi lañ nekkoon xale yooyu ndaw yooyu ñëw dugal seen xaalis anañu daanu nañ ñu ngee fay bor amatuñ liggéey xamum sonal nañ leen sonal doomi Gambie yi loolu lañ dikk ci réew mi fii loolu moo war a jeex nag te naka lay jeexee moo ñu jëlee fi nguur bi njublam dafa bari luubal suñu xaalis def lu leen neex salfaañe lu waaye yëpp ci biir réew mi pour ñoom ñu nekk ci jàmm rek ñun ñuy dee du mën a continuer li ñoo wax doomi Gambie yi nañ dellu si ci lii parce que waxtu bi jeex na soo fa may am fii nañ ci ñëwaat semaine prochaine semaine bii ñëw incha allah nañ ci doon dellu si waat waxtaan ci waaye nañ xam ne réew mi ñun ñoo ko moom ñun Gambien si ñoo ko moom ñun la war a liggéeyal ñu am suñu àq ak suñu yelleef nañ dellu si ci lii waxtaan si parce que lii lu am solo la nguur yi du fi nekk du ñu wax lu leen neex te dara du jugee na dafa war a doy Gambien si dañ bugg a suñu bopp bugg a suñu bopp génnee fi ñii ñu liggéey réew mi moomuñ ñun ñoo leen fa teg di leen fee suñu xaalis bu takku suñ deful seen liggéey bi nañ ko leen fa jëlee teg fa ñeneen jërëjëf maa ngi leen a gërëm di leen sant yéen ñëpp lii lu ñu ittee la nag dinañ delluwaat semaine bii nañ ñëw dellusiwaat waxtaan ceeg yéen pour ñu xam li nekk ci li nguur gi di wax li Barrow di wax li xam ne defuñ ko dañoo dig rek te duñ def dara nañ si delluwaat ñu ngi leen sant di leen gërëm yéen ñëpp di leen ñaanal fan bu gudd ak wér gu yaram yàlla yokkal leen xéewal sutura leen may leen fan bu gudda jërëjëf